Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Tracy, and this is Computer Science 2 for fall semester 2020. I'm really excited to get going with this class, and I'm really glad to be back into teaching after a great summer. Well, it was okay summer. Things are a little crazy, I know, but this class is going to be good. This is the second semester of programming in computer science using C++. So you should have come off of Computer Science 1. Maybe you took it last year or in the summer. We're going to continue right where that left off. And so hopefully this will be a great experience for you. Computer Science 1 is a class where you learn the basics about how to program in C++. Computer Science 2 is a class where you learn options and more efficient programming. There's more than one way to do anything. And so in this class, the focus is learning how to solve problems in the best way that you can, or knowing that there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 different ways of being able to find a solution in a programmatic algorithm. All right, so here you are, and you've probably logged into Canvas if you're getting this video. I get it. But I'd like you to look around. So this lets me know that you're paying attention in this class. If I could just get you to click on some of these links. I'm going to send announcements every week to let you know what's going on. I gave a welcome one already, but I'll send out another one to describe our first week's assignment, because right away I'm going to put you to work. We're going to start off by reviewing Computer Science 1. And so there is a project that's due with that. If you click on this syllabus, you'll see all the information about what we're going to do in this class and how to get a hold of me and what the description is and what you should, upon completion of this course, be able to do. Upon completion of this course, you should understand data types, data structures, their usage, recursion, type declaration, and create reusable software components. So that's what we're working on. When you look at this as what is expected, the class, there's going to be 4 tests, there's going to be 10 discussions, and there's going to be 3 major projects. Well, this first one's going to happen right now, and these other 2 aren't due till the end of this semester, so you have plenty of time to work on them. But I'm going to talk more about this one later. We'll get back to it. The textbook for this class is Big C++. It's an e-text. It is required. It is mandatory for the class. So if you took Computer Science 1, this is the same book, so you should be good. The standard grading scale for this class is based on 90% in A, and this is how it breaks down. The schedule that is listed here in the syllabus is a tentative schedule for the class. This is what we'll cover each week. This week it's introduction to class, but also you're going to be working on a teach back project. And so the teach back project is something for you to do to share how much you know about computer science. I'll talk more about that, and I'll send a future video and email for that. But that's going to be due in 2 weeks. After that, most of the class will be spent working through the various topics that are listed here on the home page. So if you look at the home page, you see the topics. We're going to be starting with review this week and next week, and then we're going to go through each of these that are listed. If you want my contact information, you can look at this welcome page, and here's my contact information and how to contact me. I've given you my phone number, but I am not on campus, so if you want to call me, it would just be a message, and I'll check my voicemail about once a day. Best way to get a hold of me, though, is tracy.kocher@chaffey.edu. That's my campus email, and I usually reply pretty quick because I get it on my phone. But if you don't hear from me right away, give me 24 hours before sending another response. Typically, longer on the weekends. I'm available most days, Monday through Friday. You can also message me directly through campus, and I am going to be scheduling some Zoom meetings if you want to just pop in and ask some questions. I've listed some Zoom links on my office hours that you could use and how to get a hold of this. I'm going to be giving you information by Canvas, inbox, and by announcements and on discussions. So that's how you will hear from me. And you can also talk to the other students within the class. So the only thing that you got to do right now is get onto Canvas and make sure that you click on some of these links so that I know that you are there. And be looking for my announcement about review, because we will get started shortly, as soon as I'm sure that everybody has gotten on campus and been able to see what's going on. So let's have a great semester. It's nice to meet you.